Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get rich faster than others? You know the ones. They don't panic when the market drops, they don't chase every trend, and somehow they always seem ahead. Well, here's the truth. It's not luck. It's habits, it's mindset, and it's knowing the right ways to make money in a world that's constantly changing. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful strategies that the richest people in 2026 are using to grow their wealth. These are not get-rich-quick schemes, not risky gambling, just practical steps that anyone can follow. Stick with me till the end, because if you implement even one of these, you could start seeing real change in your finances and lifestyle. Number 1, the habit of smart investing. Rich people don't just save money, they make money work for them. Instead of letting cash sit in a bank, they invest in opportunities that grow over time. In 2026, smart investing doesn't need huge capital. With platforms for stocks, ETFs, index funds, and even fractional investing, you can start small. The key is consistency and learning. Invest a little every month and let compounding do its magic. Also, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Some invest in stocks, some in crypto or digital assets, and some in AI-powered startups. This is how they minimize risk while maximizing returns. Remember, the earlier you start, the faster your money grows.
For example, you can start with something small. Sell an online course about a skill you already have. Launch templates, planners, or ebooks online. Use AI tools to create content for businesses. Even if one stream slows down, the others keep your income flowing. This is called financial freedom, and it's the key to building long-term wealth. Number 3, the power of networking. Wealthy people understand one thing. Your network is your net worth. It's not about fancy parties or LinkedIn connections. It's about finding mentors, joining communities, and connecting with people who are ahead of you. In 2026, online communities make this easier than ever. Join groups where entrepreneurs, investors, and innovators share knowledge. Ask questions, learn from mistakes, and notice patterns of success. Remember, a single connection or mentor can accelerate your journey by years. Number 4, learn high-demand skills. In today's fast-changing world, skills are the real currency. Rich people constantly learn what the market wants. In 2026, some of the most profitable skills are AI and automation, digital marketing and social media, e-commerce and dropshipping, coding and app development, financial literacy and investing.
You don't need to master all of them. Pick one, focus, and become excellent at it. The more rare and valuable your skill, the more people are willing to pay you. And remember, the skill itself is an investment that can pay off for decades. Number 5, adopt daily habits of the rich. Wealth isn't just money. It's a lifestyle, a mindset, and a routine. Here are a few habits that separate rich people from everyone else. Wake up early. Most rich people start their day before 6 a.m. Read and learn daily. Books, articles, podcasts, anything that grows your knowledge. Plan your day and prioritize. Focus on high-impact tasks that move you closer to your goals. Track money and invest wisely. Don't just earn, make your money grow. Take care of your health. Mental clarity and energy are critical for wealth creation. Start small. Add one habit at a time. Over months, these tiny actions compound into massive results. Bonus tip, use AI and technology to your advantage. 2026 is the year AI changes everything. Rich people are using AI to automate work, create content, analyze investments, and even run online businesses. For example,
AI tools can help you write blogs, create marketing content, or design graphics. You can analyze stocks or crypto trends faster with AI analytics. Automate small business tasks so you can focus on growth. If you're not using technology to scale yourself, you're falling behind. So now you know 5 powerful ways the rich in 2026 grow wealth. Smart investing, multiple income streams, networking with the right people, learning high-demand skills, and daily wealth-building habits. And the bonus tip? Leverage AI and tech to multiply your results. But here's the truth. Knowledge without action is useless. You can watch this video 10 times, but unless you implement even one idea, nothing will change. Start today. Pick one method. Learn, act, and stay consistent. Wealth is not about luck. It's about smart decisions, habits, and timing. If this video gave you value, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon because I'll be sharing more powerful videos on wealth creation, smart investing, and building a rich life in 2026. Remember, the richest people aren't special. They just started before you, stayed consistent, and made better choices every day. Your time is now. 2026 isn't the year to dream.